Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So this is very simple. First, launch your Google Chrome, and then on the top right corner of the screen, you will see a vertical three dot icon here beside your profile. So click on it, and then here on the bottom, you will see settings. And then click on it. Once you're here on the sidebar on the left, click on privacy and security. And then once you're here, go to security. And then under safe browsing, you will switch your protection to no protection. So this is very risky because it does not protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Click on it. It will just warn you here. Click turn off. Once you're done turning that off, make sure to turn this off too. Always use secure connections. Toggle that off. Other settings can be left on default. So that's basically it. Now your downloads will not be blocked.